Welcome to our DeliverIt Infusion TPN Backpack video. In this video, we will provide you with a demonstration on how to use your backpack. Please note there is a separate video for TPN administration instructions. Your backpack should look like this and have different compartments. The first compartment is at the front and opens up so that the pump screen is visible. Once you have your tubing inside the pump and ready to go, you may open the zipper. Keep the pump screen facing down and insert it into the appropriate slot as shown. Then you may take your TPN bag and slide it into its slot. The top of the TPN bag will need to be hooked onto the top strap, and then you may close the middle strap. Next, you may fix the tubing and leave some slack outside of the zipper. Then, once everything is zipped up, you can put it on and hook yourself up. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact your DeliverIt specialty nurses.